What's going on YouTube? I just wanted to make a super quick tutorial to show you how to hide and unhide rows and columns in Excel. So here you have an example with Apple stock price for about a year, and let's just say we wanted to hide the open column. So what do? We highlight the column, or we can just click up here to highlight, then we can right click and then hide. And now, as you can see, we can tell that a column is hidden because there's a jump between A and C, and also there's this little gap right here. And there's another way to highlight a column is to click to highlight the column, go to Home, and then towards the right, there's going to be a section called Cells Format. Then you can, under Visibility, you can do Hide and Unhide. Then hide rows and hide columns, and you can even hide the entire sheet. So let's just say you wanted to do that to hide a column. We can highlight the column, or highlight the row, go to Home, Format, Hide and Unhide, then hide row. Now let's just say you wanted to hide multiple rows at the same time. So to do this, we can just simply drag and select multiple rows, go to the same format, hide and unhide, and then hide rows. Now let's just say the rows we wanted to highlight rows, but they weren't right next to each other. You can just hold on the Control key and then highlight the specific rows that you are looking to hide. And same thing with columns. And go to Format, hide and unhide, then hide rows. And let's just say now we wanted to unhide what was hidden. So to do this, we can highlight the cells that have the hidden one in between them, right click, then unhide, and you can also unhide by going to the same format section. And then just say you wanted to unhide all. In this situation, we can highlight all the cells that have data in it. So to do that, I just did Control Shift right arrow and then down arrow, and then go to the same Home, Format, and hide and unhide, and then unhide rows, and then same thing, but now except unhide columns. They are already unhidden. And as another couple notes, whenever you have a row or column that is hidden, then it's extremely important to keep in mind that the columns and rows that are hidden are still functional. So if you have a formula in a hidden column, it's still going to be there when you hide it. Also, it can make stuff a little bit easier to print. So let's just say you wanted to print something out, you still needed the cells or the rows there, but you didn't want it in your print view. You can just hide the rows temporarily, print what you needed, and then go back. So that being said, I really hope that y'all found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know if there's anything I could do to improve. And thank you so much. Have a great day.